This agent was closing maybe one deal every couple of months, guessing her way through every single buyer consultation. Here's exactly what changed once she started using this framework. Before she started using the absolute maximum desired monthly payment framework L, her business looked like most agents' businesses do. Leads would come in, she'd start showing houses right away, and deals would just randomly fall apart. Sometimes at the lender's desk, sometimes the buyer would just go quiet. She had no idea which part of her process was actually broken because she'd never had a system to track it in the first place. The first thing she changed was her consultation. She stopped asking buyers what their price range was and started asking for their absolute maximum desired monthly payment instead. Almost immediately, her buyers started opening up more. She told me it completely changed the energy of that first meeting because for the first time, buyers felt like she was protecting them instead of just trying to sell them something. The second thing she changed was how she handled the payment objection. Instead of freezing up or losing the deal when a buyer said a house felt too expensive, she started confidently walking them through financing options with builders, as they often offer lower interest rates, closing cost incentives, zero down options, showing them how the numbers could actually work in their favor if they were flexible on location. She wasn't executing the loan herself. That was always the lender's job. She was simply the agent who knew how to explain the option clearly and calmly. And the third thing she changed was tracking. Every single deal, she wrote down which strategy actually moved it forward. Over just a few months, a pattern showed up. The deals that used the absolute maximum desired monthly payment question in the very first meeting closed at a noticeably higher rate than the ones that didn't. The result wasn't one lucky closing, it was consistency. She went from closing sporadically to closing predictably, month after month, using the exact same repeatable process every single time. And just as important, the buyers she was closing were closing into homes they could genuinely afford, which meant those deals actually stuck. No last minute fallouts. No buyer's remorse 6 months later. That's not luck. And it's not some rare talent she had that you don't. It's a framework, a specific repeatable sequence that any agent can learn and apply. And in the next video, I'm going to show you that exact framework in full, the same one she used, and how you can start building it into your own business starting right now. Click through to the final video in this series.